Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I hope you have a good news today. My name is Rahmat Elang Sumarto, studied ID number A1Q12107. I am from majoring Guidance and Counseling, Faculty of Teacher and Training Education, Halwoleo University. On this occasion, I will explain the material about simple future tense. Alright, let's go right to the point. First of all, simple future tense. Simple future tense is a form of sentence to express to action or events that have not started to be used and will occur in the future. Simple future tense sentences are also commonly used to express prediction or to show ability or intention. The simple future tense has two different forms in English grammar, shall or will and going to. Although the two forms can sometimes be used interchangeably, they often express two very different meanings. Simple future tense formula. In English grammar, the formula for the simple future tense has two distinct forms, shall or will and going to. Although the two forms can sometimes be used interchangeably, they often express two very different meanings. The different meanings of these two may seem too abstract at first, but by studying the simple future tense more deeply, the difference will become clear. Shall or will and going to refer to a certain time in the future. A complete explanation of the simple future tense formula can be seen below. Sentence types, form, and future tense formula examples. Positive verbals formula. Subject plus will or shall plus verb 1 plus object. Example of sentence: he will play his favorite game. Subject plus is are plus going to plus verb 1 and object. Example of sentence: Adam is going to sleep at hotel tonight. Nominal formula: subject plus will or shall plus be plus complement. Example of sentence: she will be at theater tonight. Subject plus is are plus going to be plus complement. Example of sentence: he is going to be a manager. Negative verbal formula: subject plus will or shall plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Example of sentence: he will not play his favorite game. Subject plus is are plus not plus going to plus verb 1 plus object. Example of sentence: Adam is not going to sleep at hotel tonight. Nominal formula: subject plus will or shall plus not plus be plus complement. Example of sentence: she will not be at theater tonight. Subject plus is are plus not plus going to plus be plus verb 1 plus object. Example of sentence: he is not going to be a manager. Interrogative verbal formula: will or shall plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example of sentence: will he play his favorite game? Is are plus subject plus going to plus verb 1 plus object. Example of sentence: is Adam to sleep at hotel tonight? Nominal formula: will or shall plus subject plus be plus complement. Example of sentence: will she be at theater tonight? Is are plus subject plus going to plus be plus complement. Example of sentence: is he going to be a manager? Next, passive voice formula. In past future, understanding formula and example of past future tense sentence and their meanings. The basic formula for passive voice is always the same, namely to be plus verb 3, whatever the tenses, but it in the example of the present perfect tense, the example of the past perfect tense, or the future tense. All you have to do is change the to be according to the to be tense you're using. Then to be for the past future tense is was, will be, and shall be. How is the application? Example of passive voice past future tense, understanding formula and example of past future tense sentence and their meanings. Active voice, passive voice. 1. My mom will buy this khaki backpack. This khaki backpack will be bought by my mom. They were going to build this apartment last month. This apartment was going to be built by them last month. 3. I was going to grow a mango tree the day before. A mango tree was going to be grown by me the day before. 4. Lachi should attend your birthday party last night. Your birthday party should be attended by Lachi last night. 5. Mr. and Mr. Smith should record the iconic fighting scenes. Mr. and Mr. Smith's iconic fighting scenes should be recorded by them. Simple future tense function. In the form of English tense, the function of going to in the simple future tense is used to tell about plans for the future that we have talked about. The auxiliary function of the verb will or shall is used to tell about future events that we believe will definitely happen. Overall, the simple future tense function can be used in several statements or events, namely as follows: expressing an event or events that will occur in the future. Example of sentence: I shall go to Manila tomorrow morning. In Indonesia, saya akan pergi ke Manila besok pagi. They will arrive from Balikpapan in a few days. In Indonesia, mereka akan tiba dari Balikpapan dalam beberapa hari. Make a promise in the future. Example of sentence: we shall meet the clients by noon. In Indonesia, kami akan bertemu klien pada siang hari. Express a request to another person. Example of sentence: will you help me get the book on the top shelf? In Indonesia, maukah Anda membantu saya mengambil buku di bagian bawah? Make an offer to another person. Example of sentence: will you sit down by my side? In Indonesia, maukah Anda duduk di sebelah saya? Expressing allowing others to do something. Example of sentence: will you come in, please? In Indonesia, silakan masuk. Will you sit down here, please? In Indonesia, silakan duduk di sini. Express an invitation to others. Example of sentence: will you accompany me to the library? In Indonesia, maukah Anda menemani saya ke perpustakaan? Will you come to my birthday party tonight? In Indonesia, apakah Anda ingin pergi ke pesta ulang tahun saya malam ini? State a necessity. Example of sentence: I shall study hard to pass the examination. In Indonesia, saya akan belajar keras untuk lulus ujian. She will do her best at the storytelling contest. In Indonesia, dia akan melakukan yang terbaik di kontes bercerita. Kalimat bersyarat state the conditional tense or conditional sentence. Example of sentence: I shall go to Eropa if I have a lot of money. In Indonesia, saya akan pergi ke Eropa jika saya punya banyak uang. I will love the girl if she is beautiful. In Indonesia, dia laki-laki akan mencintai gadis itu jikalau dia perempuan cantik. Adverb of time or time signal. Simple future tense. Adverbs of time are next month, next time, in a little while, or others, and the characteristic of the simple future tense, one of which is the predicate of the sentence, will plus infinitive. The auxiliary words shall or will can also be replaced with to be plus going to with a slight difference in meaning. We add shall or will when something is already something that we will definitely do in the future or promise. But if it is still an intention, then we use to be plus going to. Compare: I will come to your house. In Indonesia, aku akan datang ke rumahmu. Kemungkinan pasti. I am going to your house tonight. In Indonesia, saya akan datang ke rumah Anda mungkin malam ini. Adalah niat or niat. Conclusion: the simple future tense is usually used to express prediction or to show ability or intention, with the formula subject plus will or shall plus verb 1 plus object or subject plus am is are plus going to plus verb 1 plus or object. The simple future tense always use will or shall or going to. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.